Hello, ma'am. Good evening. So I'm making this video so that you have something to go back to if ever na kay mga questions sa plan that I have provided to you, no? So this is our bestseller. This is Sun Max Link Prime. So as requested by Sir Shem, katong VUL product iyang gusto katong with investment. So if VUL manggod nga product, ma'am, or variable unit linked, it means life insurance siya and then investment at the same time. So it's really focused on retirement, education, and saving for milestones. So since young pa man ka, ma'am, I really would suggest that you get this plan. So I gave you the 5-in-1 benefit where the following benefits are here. Of course, the first benefit is the death benefit. Mao gina siya ang pinaka-main when it comes to life insurance. So I mean to say, ma'am, the face amount is 350, but the coverage is really times 2. So, mo nang nakabutang diri that the guaranteed death benefit is 200% of the face amount, which is 700,000. So, basically, simba ko palayo, bisag kay isa pa ta ni bayad, automatically, we are already covered for 700,000. Now, once we are approved, we are covered until age 88 so long as the policy is in force. So, when we say policy is in force, that means bayad ta. We are premium paying, no? So we only actually paid 20,860 per year for the 700,000 coverage. We multiply that by 10, that's 208,600 pesos. So in short, sa death benefit palang daan, ginansya na gyud ta, no, when it comes to life insurances. Now, the next benefit that I provided to you is the accidental death, dismemberment, disablement. So, si um accidental death, dismemberment, disablement benefit is kuyog ni siya atong total disability benefit. So pares to sila, dili pwede wala ang usa, no? The reason for that is kani man gud si accidental death, if ang reason sa death nato is accident, we will be able to provide to our families additional 350,000. So that means 1,050,000 will be provided to our families, no? So after that, if ever, let's say, wala si life, yung pasabot diri. However, if totally disabled lang, like ani entire sight of both eyes, both hands or both feet, one hand and one foot, either hand or foot and sight on one eye, and yeah, I think those are what we call total disability. So if ever that happens, ma'am, the 350,000 becomes a pension. It will be given in straight 10 years, stick to 35,000. Aside from that, you're not anymore required to pay for the premium kay gi-assume naman na we are totally disabled. So wala na gud tay chance of working. So even though we are not anymore required to pay, all the other benefits are there, no? So say 350 lang gihatag siya as pension and you're not anymore required to pay pag yun, no? So it will still be in force. Then, if dismemberment lang kaning other parts, no, other parts of your area during the accident, no, mo ang nahitabo, automatically, let's say 1%, kani any to other than the big toe, it will be provided to you in a form of cash. So 350,000 times 1%, that's 3,500. Now, the remaining 346,500, you will still be able to use it if ever, let's say, na totally disabled or accidental death. So, until exhausted na siya. Now, when is the effectivity date of the accidental death, dismemberment, disablement benefit or ADDB? It will be effective upon approval while the coverage is up to age 70. Okay, so from here, si death benefit is upon application and then age 88, while si accidental death is upon approval and then until age 70. But payable both in 10 years. Okay? Now, for the third benefit is the critical illness benefit. So for the critical illness benefit, I created it the same as your death benefit so that you can remember it fast. That's 700,000. Now, you will be able to get 700,000 direct to your bank account so long as you so long as you are diagnosed with any of the 36 illnesses listed, no? So, acute heart attack, invasive cancer, paralysis, stroke, terminal illness, even those that require surgery like coronary artery bypass, major organ transplant, replacement of heart valve, and surgery for disease of the aorta. So, when does this take effect? 90 days after. The reason for that is some of the clients, they will not be honest with their health condition na naday sila ginapamati but they're not saying it because they might be afraid not to be approved. So it's also like panagang na lang no ni insurance so that you we are healthy in the next 3 months, no? Kaya kasagaran man sa pud na naitaning usually di man jud kaabot na og 3 months. Okay? So 90 days pa siya mo take effect. And the same with the ADDD, 70 years old ra pud siya kutob. Okay? Now the difference lang diri ma'am is naa siya premium schedule. So mean to say in the next um in the next 5 years, ma-increase na siya. So, instead of 32136 yearly, mo 5,019 na siya yearly. Okay? However, on your 11th year onwards, wala naman kay bayro nun for the ADDD and the death benefit. So, you will only pay for the critical illness benefit and the next one, which is the hospital income benefit. But, sorry, but if you sum it all up, ma'am, kaning tanang cost, it will not accumulate to 700,000. Okay, so technically we're like saving up just in case a critical illness happens. Now, if ever, let's say for example, on the third year we are diagnosed with cancer, we paid 3,136 for 3 years. You'll be able to get 700,000 no tax direct to our bank account. Now, the next question is, are we going to pay pa ba for the CIB? So you don't need to pay anymore for the next years. However, you don't have any more a coverage for the CIB, but your death benefit and all other benefits are still present. Now, the only difference lang is, or the only thing we can do is, what if we want to avail again the CIB? There will be three options. It's either we will be disapproved or we will be approved, but the current sickness will not anymore be catered, or third option would be ma-approve ta so long as the doctor will provide us a clearance na we are really cancer-free or all those sickness na we were diagnosed with the CIB with. Okay? So, muna siya ang ato ang next option. Alright? Now, if you stick with the price that you have for a year, automatic ra, the excess that should have been paid for your critical illness benefit, it will automatically be added in your mutual funds. That's actually the fifth benefit. I will explain later on. Okay. Next is for the hospital income benefit. For the hospital income benefit, that's 1,700 per day. So meaning to say, ma'am, if we are hospitalized so long as it is within or in a minimum of 3 days and above, maximum 1,000 days all in all, we get 1,700 per day. Okay? So regardless of whatever reason, so long as ma-admit og minimum 3 days. However, if ma-ICU ta, intensive care unit, or these 11 diseases are the reason why we are hospitalized, so manang paris gid ni siya with CIB because all of these lists are in the CIB, mo double si 1,700. So instead of they will give 1,700, it will be 3,400 per day. So 3,400, let's say we stay there in 10 days, so that's 34,000 plus pag yun, of 700,000, then that is 700 plus 34,000, so that's 734,000. And then aside from that, ang payments at aniniya is fixed ra gyud siya by the age that you got the rider. Then payable siya until age 60, kutob sad siya age 60. So here's a summary of the payments for your guidance. So if you look at here, the TDB and the ADDD are only on the first 10 years. So technically, we're paying for like almost 29 to 30,000 to 31,000. So mga around 300,000 for all of those benefits. And then on the 11th year, si critical illness na lang o si hospital income benefit na lang ang ato ang ginabayaran. Okay, so ni-lower na siya. Um kanang instead of 30,000 per year, mahimo na lang siyang 11,000 per year. Okay? So mga 1,000 na lang siya, no? And then the last benefit is my personal favorite, the mutual funds. So for the mutual funds, basically, ma'am, after all the charges that were made by the company because of those benefits, the remaining amount is invested on the mutual funds. Now, I place your fund in the Peso Global Tech Growth Fund because this is an international fund using Nasdaq instead of PSEI. No, kaya medyo gamay gud kayo ang PSEI karon, no, because of the performance of our Philippine stock exchange. So what happened is si Nasdaq growing gud kayo siya. Okay, although the projection of Sun Life is for conservative values only, like 3, 6, and 7%, but it could go up to higher pag yun, knowing that Peso Global Tech Growth Fund is really performing well. No, so we have already a lot of clients who got a lot of interest because of the Peso Global Tech Growth Fund. So aside from you being insured, a portion is invested in the market. Now, magkadako siya kay magkagamay man ang charges. So after the charges are deducted, it will go to your policy fund value. So it's withdrawable anytime, free on the first time for per year, but on the second time na siya charged, just to make sure that you keep your policy in force because during the time that we need the policy, hopefully it's not lapse, no? So in short, ma'am, this plan is gibuhi siya sa fund value. So we have clients who did not pay for 2 years, for 3 years, but because they were able to plant a large number of fund value, they're still in force. But I'm not suggesting you that atong ilapse because technically dili na po ni ma-achieve ang iyang gi-project nga amount. No, that's why I really suggest that we we are religious in our payment premiums, no? So kana siya. Then, the death benefit is automatic 700,000 plus whatever is in the fund value. Meaning to say, if ang imong fund value is 100,000, maadra gyud siya, no? Walay maadto sa ako, walay maadto sa Sun Life, all are in your families, no? Sa mahabilin, sa imong beneficiaries. Okay, so kana siya. And then, kutub age 88 man ni siya, that's why the projection is also until age 88. So conservative lang gid among presentation because we don't want to overpromise also our clients. But rest assured with the performance of Peso Global Tech Growth Fund now, it's really going to boom in the future, no? So kana siya. Okay? So that's the plan. Going back to the price, no? The request was actually 30,000 budget per year. So total of 29,312. So napay extra 700 from the budget. Let me know if you have questions. Thank you.